Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a look at the VANS SK8 HI MTE 2.0 DX. Before we get into the review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit the subscribe button, hit the notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Let's get into the review. And today we've got a look at the VANS SK8 HI MTE 2.0 DX, and we've got this Halloween edition in apricot black, and we've got it in a US 8.5 in men's, it's a 10 US women's, UK 7.5, and it's a European 41. And this, I would say, is for the winter months upcoming if you want good traction and warmth. As you can see here. Box. And there it is, the winterized boot of the SK8 HI silhouette, ever so famous by VANS. And we'll start with the outsole. You got this rubberized lug tread. That's so different to see from a VANS sneaker because I'm so used to seeing that waffle cushion system. But it's got the same color, the rubber, so which is a nice little touch that VANS have added. Going along to the midsole, so you got an all rubber midsole that is nice and thick. You can always find on a SK8 HI VANS. Well, really, every VANS has this similar shape to it. Now, what makes this VANS different to its normal SK8 HI counterpart is that this is built for insulation and making your feet really, really warm and to be water resistant. So if you look in the inner, you got a nice fleece thermal support there. The materials that make this sneaker up is all water treated, which means it's treated to be water resistant so that they are built to repel water, and so it will just trickle down essentially, and it's built for trekking, hike, your everyday outside activities that involve rain. Well, not really involving rain because you just get caught in the rain, but you know what I mean. And what this incorporates, that's the MTE 360, that's all around the sneaker, the inner, that is making your feet nice and warm. It's all Scotch Guard treated, which gives it the water repellent. And I think it's a really dope colorway. It reminds me of the jack-o'-lanterns. It's really giving me these Halloween vibes. At the time of this recording, it is Halloween. So happy Halloween to you guys out there. We're gonna be wearing these when we go trick-or-treating, or socially distant. Going on towards, so you got a nice hiker lace locks at the top and all metallic round eyelets. Round lacing instead of the normal flat laces you get from a pair of VANS. Pull system from the tongue and the heel. The great iconic stripe that you'll find in all of VANS skate products. Going towards the heel, you got a black VANS off the wall logo with a collar of orange right there. And I just want to mention the toe box area that is structured differently, and you can tell by the materials here. The mud guard is like proper reinforced. It's leather, really nice leather actually. It does feel really subtle and sturdy really. And I have not much else to say except that it's all rounded off with a VANS ultra cushion insole that is really comfy. It's one of VANS' most recent technologies that they've incorporated in their sneakers, and it's just really comfy because we have done the ultra cush VANS in the past, where I was a big fan of that. Rounding it off, VANS off the wall sticker. I'd always put in like my textbooks at school. And that's all I've got to say about these sneakers. I can't wait to try these on. It's going to give me some more height. Obviously this is designed for the weather. If at the time of recording as well, it's pouring outside, and I can only imagine that these are the perfect fit for the outside storm. Let's try them on. When it comes to the fit, guys, I do recommend getting a half size down. 7.5 is my true to size fit when it comes to shoes. Unfortunately, I feel like there's a bit of room here. Obviously, these were built for thick socks, I believe, so I think it's just compensating for that. Other than that, I could feel really nice cushioning from that Ultra Cush insole. It does feel a bit warm. That's what the MTE 360 insulation's for. And all in all, if I'm going out in the snow, if I'm going out in the rain, I think this is a great choice to pick up. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end on Instagram. Until next time, peace.